Welcome to a video where we witness the raw power of Mother Nature unleashed. From raging storms to earth-shaking moments, these are the times when nature shows who's really in charge. Brace yourselves for jaw-dropping scenes you won't believe are real. Let's dive into the moments when Mother Nature gets angry. A perfect day at the beach turns into a catastrophe. Due to heavy rain, the drains couldn't keep up, and now the streets look like this. Watch as the flood sweeps away a small house. Nature's power on full display. This is quite an advertisement for these windows, managing to hold back such a massive amount of water. Due to the massive storm, all traffic had to come to a halt. The wind was so strong that it even overturned massive trucks. People are willing to risk their safety for the perfect shot. It's the kind of natural phenomenon that leaves you in awe, but you definitely wouldn't want to get too close. A powerful storm tore through the area, destroying the solar panels that had just been installed on the building. For some strange reason, this looks incredibly beautiful to me, and I even feel an urge to get closer. Today, there won't be a crowd at the local spot. The dramatic visuals showcase nature's fury juxtaposed with the magic of the park, creating an unforgettable scene. Capturing such intense moments from a drone ensures both safety and stunning aerial perspectives. A typhoon in China created a stunning yet eerie spectacle as the clouds transformed into a breathtaking shade of pink. This rare phenomenon occurred due to the interaction of sunlight with the typhoon's thick, swirling clouds, casting a beautiful way across the sky. The sheer power and beauty of nature are on full display as the tornado twists and turns, creating a dramatic scene against the backdrop of the sky. Heavy rain has devastated half of the city, causing widespread destruction to streets and infrastructure. A user complained to their provider about internet issues, but when the technicians arrived to investigate, they discovered the shocking cause of the outage. Everyone was left in disbelief as they found this. If you ever come across something like this, it's best to run away as fast as you can. What used to be roads now resembles a massive river flowing through the area. The footage captures the dramatic beginning of a volcanic eruption as thick plumes of smoke billow into the sky. The scent of this car has attracted a swarm of insects, creating a fascinating scene as they buzz around it. A brave motorcyclist fearlessly rides into a swirling sandstorm, the winds howling around them as they embrace the challenge ahead. With grit and determination, they navigate the harsh elements, proving that adventure often lies just beyond the comfort zone. A drone captures a haunting scene of a wildfire raging through Algiers, dark smoke engulfing the entire city like a thick shroud. The eerie atmosphere resembles a horror film, as flames dance ominously on the horizon, threatening to consume everything in their path. In Arab countries, such storms are unprecedented. Even the elders have never witnessed anything like this before. The garage has flooded, leaving many cars completely destroyed. A strange phenomenon has appeared in the sky. It creates an otherworldly sight, almost resembling a gateway to paradise. As the sunlight beams through, it invites wonder and curiosity about what lies beyond this celestial opening. The wind is swirling beach umbrellas into the sky, creating a whimsical dance of color against the blue backdrop. Is there anything scarier than landslides? The feeling of helplessness as we can't stop them is overwhelming. A strange sight in the sky. What do you think this is about? If you've enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and helps keep our community alive. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What moments touched you the most? Together, we can create more incredible experiences. During their drive, they encountered an incredible, massive swarm of insects. There were so many that they had to stop the car, and even the windshield wipers couldn't keep the view clear for driving. It was a surreal moment that felt almost like something out of a movie. Even though the wind is carrying everything in its path, the cameraman refuses to step away from his work. They had plans for a picnic, but these ominous clouds forced them to postpone their outing today. The dark skies hinted at an impending storm, leaving them with no choice but to find a cozy spot indoors instead. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the entire city was devastated by the flooding. Streets were transformed into rivers, and homes were submerged, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. This time, they fortunately escaped the danger of a landslide. Vacationing on the islands of Asia is absolutely stunning, but they also come with their own unique quirks. The community now faces the challenging task of rebuilding and recovering from this natural disaster. Living in high-rise buildings can be daunting, especially when you consider the risks associated with severe weather. The swirling winds, combined with the arid landscape, create a surreal and almost otherworldly scene. Witnessing such a phenomenon challenges our perceptions of nature and reminds us that even the most unexpected environments can host incredible displays of power. The formation of a tornado that resembles a gigantic worm is both fascinating and eerie. Hundreds of ants gather around this statue in Taiwan, creating a strange yet intriguing natural spectacle. This unusual gathering draws attention to the intricate connections within nature and reminds us of the unexpected wonders that can occur right in our midst. There are individuals who professionally pursue and document tornadoes, often larger ones, and they're known as storm chasers. Take a look at how nature takes care of a fire, with smoke billowing out of the forest. I found the guard of this driver. He was working overtime today. When they woke up this morning, they couldn't have imagined that their workday would turn out like this. They managed to save everyone. The hikers encountered a strange natural phenomenon. Honestly, I would have run away quickly. Due to the massive fires, smoke has turned day into night.
Gotten worse. It's like blue over there, but like over here.
Life near the sea is beautiful, but when a storm rolls in, it can look like this. It's not all fairy tales. The meteor shower paints the night sky with brilliant streaks of light, captivating all who gaze upwards. It's a celestial spectacle that reminds us of the vastness and beauty of the universe. It's truly terrifying, even through the footage like this. The road has turned into a waterfall. The roads of this village have turned into a river, as the drains were not large enough to handle such a volume of rain. Being on the balcony during a thunderstorm is not the best idea. The sea is rough due to the storm, preventing boats from docking at the port. This is actually a highway in Austria. Just look at how it has completely flooded. The surveillance footage captures the sheer force of the thunderstorm as it devastates everything in its path. You can see the chaos unfold, with powerful winds uprooting trees and debris flying through the air, illustrating nature's raw power. I can't understand the bravery of these people who gathered to film the massive landslide. Half of the hill came crashing down, and yet they stood there. I have spent many nights watching this magic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these incredible moments and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below sharing your favorite moment from today's video. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world.